new kids.
Hello बच्चों, today we are going to learn each letter with sentences. Hat, hat. Say hat. I wear a hat on sunny days. I wear a hat on sunny days. Hand, hand. Say hand. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. House, house. Say house. My house is big and pretty. My house is big and pretty. Head, hair. Say hair. She has a long hair. She has a long hair. Horse, horse. Say horse. The horse runs fast. The horse runs fast. Heart, heart. Say heart. I draw a red heart. I draw a red heart. Honey, honey. Say honey. Bees make honey. Bees make honey. Heel, heel. Say heel. We climb up the hill. We climb up the hill. Happy, happy. Say happy. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Hot, hot. Say hot. The soup is hot. The soup is hot. Help, help. Say help. Please help your friend. Please help your friend. Hope, hope. Say hope. The rabbit can hope. The rabbit can hope. Hen, hen. Say hen. The hen lays eggs. The hen lays eggs. Home, home. Say home. I love my home. I love my home. Hug, hug. Say hug. Give your mom a hug. Give your mom a hug. Head, head. Protect your head with a helmet. Protect your head with a helmet. Handsome, handsome. Say handsome. He is a handsome boy. He is a handsome boy. Heart, heart. Say heart. This box is too hard to lift. This box is too hard to lift. Heavy, heavy. Say heavy. The bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. High, high. Say high. The bird flies high in the sky. The bird flies high in the sky. Hope, hope. Say hope. Never lose a hope. Never lose a hope. Hurt, hurt. Say hurt. I fell and hurt my knee. I fell and hurt my knee. Hilltop, hilltop. Say hilltop. We saw the sun from the hilltop. We saw the sun from the hilltop. Hide, hide. Say hide. Let's hide behind the tree. Let's hide behind the tree. Hike, hike. Say hike. We went for a hike in the forest. We went for a hike in the forest. Hospital, hospital. Say hospital. The doctor works in a hospital. The doctor works in a hospital. Holiday, holiday. Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. Honeybee, honeybee. A honeybee buzzes near a flower. A honeybee buzzes near a flower. Helmet, helmet. Say helmet. Wear a helmet when you ride a bike. Wear a helmet when you ride a bike. Human, human. Say human. Every human needs love. Every human needs love. Hum, hum. I like to hum my favorite song. I like to hum my favorite song. Heal, 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 heal. The goat kills the hill easily. The goat kills the hill easily. History, history. We learn history in a school. We learn history in a school. Homework, homework. Say homework. Do your homework before playing. Do your homework before playing. 100, 100. Say 100. There are 100 candies in the jar. There are 100 candies in the jar. Hugely, hugely. Say hugely. The balloon was hugely inflated. The balloon was hugely inflated. Hungry, hungry. Say hungry. I am hungry after school. I am hungry after school. Handle, handle. Say handle. Hold the handle of the door. Hold the handle of the door. Hero, hero. Say hero. My dad is my hero. My dad is my hero. Hawk, hawk. Say hawk. Cut the apple in half. Cut the apple in half. Hall, hall. Say hall. We met in the school hall. We met in the school hall. Heel, heel. Say heel. My heel hurts when I walk. My heel hurts when I walk. Hip, hip. Say hip. There is a heap of toys in the corner. There is a heap of toys in the corner. Harm, harm. Say harm. Don't harm any animal. Don't harm any animal. Hatch, hatch. Say hatch. The chicks will hatch soon. The chicks will hatch soon. Hobby, hobby. Say hobby. Drawing is my hobby. Drawing is my hobby. Honest, honest. Say honest. Always be honest. Always be honest. Hospital, hospital. Say hospital. The hospital had sick people. The hospital had sick people. Houseboat, houseboat. Say houseboat. We stay in a houseboat on the lake. We stay in a houseboat on the lake. Horizon, horizon. Say horizon. The sun sets on the horizon. The sun sets on the horizon.